Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of mushrooms. But wait, did you know that mushrooms are more closely related to animals than they are to plants? That's right. So stick around because we're about to uncover some mind-blowing mushroom facts that will leave you in awe. Segment 1. Mushroom Ancestors. First things first, let's talk about mushrooms' ancient family tree. Fungi and animals share a common ancestor that separated from plants a whopping 1.1 billion years ago. That's older than your grandma's secret recipe. Segment 2. Mushroom breathing. Now let's take a breath, shall we? Unlike plants, mushrooms breathe in oxygen and exhale CO2 just like you and me. Segment 3. Spore survival. Okay, hold on to your hats because this one's out of this world. Did you know mushroom spores can survive in the vacuum and radiation of space? Yep, they're the ultimate space travelers. But that's not all, folks. Scientists have identified around 10,000 different fungal species. However, they believe that as many as 5.1 million fungal species exist. Mind-blowing, right? Segment 4. Weird mushroom trivia. Now let's get into some weird mushroom trivia. You're gonna love this. Did you know fungi have chitin in their cell walls, the same chemical found in lobster and crab cells? So, in a way, mushrooms are the ocean's distant cousins. Segment 5. Mushroom growth. Hold on to your seats, folks, because we're about to talk about the largest and oldest living organism on the planet. Nicknamed the humongous fungus, it grows on over 2,400 acres of land. Scientists say it has indefinite growth potential, just like my ever-growing collection of cute cat videos. Segment 6. Mushroom fruit. Now let's explore what mushrooms really are. The fruit of fungus. And guess what? They're not your average fruit. Mushrooms can create their own airflow to disperse their spores by allowing their moisture to evaporate, creating a little lift for the spores. Nature's own wind machines. But hold on, we've got more mushroom magic to unveil. Segment 7. Mushroom spore facts. Some mushroom spores can survive over 10,000 years. Can you believe it? And that's not all. Several species of mushrooms glow in the dark. These bioluminescent mushrooms contain light-emitting compounds called luciferins, causing them to glow and attract insects. Talk about a natural rave party. Segment 8. Mushroom myths. Now let's dive into some mushroom myths and legends. Ancient Japanese farmers believed that lightning strikes made mushrooms more plentiful. Recently, scientists have shown that lightning actually does help mushrooms, especially shiitake mushrooms, grow. Mother Nature's secret recipe for growth. Segment 9. Unique mushrooms. Brace yourselves because we're about to talk about some truly unique mushrooms. Ever heard of the shaggy ink mushroom? It's also called shaggy mane or lawyer's wig, and it uses auto-digestion to devour itself. Now that's some next-level recycling. But wait, we've got more extraordinary mushroom discoveries coming your way. Segment 10. Taste of mushrooms. Did you know mushrooms have the fifth taste, or umami? And here's the kicker. The darker the mushroom, the more umami it contains. So eating mushrooms is like unlocking a hidden flavor treasure chest. Segment 11. Mushroom superpowers. Host 605. Now, prepare to be amazed by mushroom superpowers. In 2011, scientists discovered that some mushrooms can digest polyurethane plastic and convert it into organic matter. Talk about saving the planet one bite at a time. Segment 12. Edible versus toxic mushrooms. Before you go mushroom hunting, you need to know this. An estimated 50% of all known mushrooms are edible. However, 20% can make humans sick, and 1% are fatal. So don't let mushrooms be your final adventure. But wait, we're not done yet. We've got something deadly to reveal. Segment 13. Death cap mushroom. The death cap mushroom is one of the deadliest organisms on Earth. Just half of a death cap mushroom has enough toxins to kill an adult human. Yikes. Remember, folks, don't mess with these caps, or they might just cap your story short. Segment 14. Mushroom nicknames. And here's a fun tidbit for you. Ever heard of toadstool? Toadstool is another name for mushrooms, and while it's scientifically correct, both terms refer to the same fungus. But toadstools are anecdotally considered to be poisonous mushrooms. Watch out for those froggy mushrooms. Hang in there because we've got more history to uncover. Segment 15. Ancient mushroom use. Humans have used mushrooms for thousands of years. The 5,300-year-old mummy Otzi was found carrying two different types of mushrooms. Ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs from over 4,600 years ago referred to mushrooms as plants of immortality. They were so sacred that commoners were not allowed to touch them. Mushrooms, the keys to eternal life. Segment 16, mushroom water usage. Let's wrap this up with something eco-friendly. It takes about 1.8 gallons of water to grow 1 gallon of mushrooms, which is less water than other crops. Mushrooms, saving the environment one drop at a time. Wow, what an incredible journey through the mushroom kingdom. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a fungal adventure with us. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, mushrooms are more than just toppings on your pizza. They're the unsung heroes of the natural world. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.